In this video, I'm going to explain how to multiply two binomial expressions. First of all, let's discuss what a binomial expression is. A binomial expression is an algebraic expression that has two terms. Bi means two, nomial means term. So there are two terms in a binomial expression. Also, a binomial expression is a sum or a difference of two terms. So these two terms can be two algebraic terms like 2x plus y or 2x minus 3y. Also, these two terms can be one algebraic term and a numerical term like x plus 5, x minus 5, 2x plus 5 or 2x minus 5, or let's say 3x minus 10. Now let's concentrate on how to multiply two binomial expressions. Let me give you two binomial expressions. Let's take x plus 2 and x plus 3. So how do we multiply these two binomial expressions? Here what we do is first take the first term of the first binomial expression. Then multiply it with the second binomial expression. This means x times x plus 3. We multiply x with x plus 3. First term in the first binomial expression with the second binomial expression. Then we take the second term of our first binomial expression and we multiply it with the second binomial expression. So plus 2 times x plus 3. The next step is you have to remove the brackets and expand this. So how do we remove the brackets? Let's multiply x with x. It's x squared. Then multiply x with plus 3. X times plus 3 is plus 3x. Now let's remove the second bracket. Plus 2 times x, it's plus 2x. Plus 2 times plus 3, it's plus 6. Finally, you need to simplify this considering the like terms. Here we have two like terms, plus 3x and plus 2x. So we can add these two. Plus 3x and plus 2x is plus 5x. So our answer is x squared plus 5x plus 6. Now we'll take the same example, but I'm going to change the signs now. Let's have x minus 2 and x minus 3. Now here, you have to be careful with the signs. So let's follow our steps. First of all, take the first term of our first binomial expression, then multiply it with the second binomial expression. So x times x minus 3. Then take the next term, second term in the first binomial expression and multiply it with the second binomial expression. Minus 2 times x minus 3. Then remove the brackets. X times x is x squared. X times minus 3 is minus 3x. Then minus 2 times x is minus 2x. And minus 2 times minus 3 is plus 6. Now here you need to be careful with these signs when you multiply. So remember these rules. When you multiply two positives, positive times positive, plus times plus, your answer is a positive. Then when you multiply two negatives, again your answer is a positive answer. So when you multiply same signs, your answer is a positive answer. Now here for positives, I normally call as pluses, and for negatives, I call it minuses. And then remember, when you multiply a positive and a negative, you get a negative answer. Also, when you multiply a negative and a positive, you get a negative answer. This means when there are different signs, our answer is negative. So remember these rules when you multiply. Now let's finish our example. Finally, we can simplify our like terms here. Negative 3x and negative 2x. So two negatives. That means our answer is a negative 5x. Minus 3x and minus 2x is minus 5x. So our final answer here is x squared minus 5x plus 6. Let's look at another example. But here I'm taking the same terms but changing the signs. Let's take x plus 2 and x minus 3. We have to multiply x and x minus 3. X times x minus 3. Then we have to multiply plus 2 with x minus 3. Plus 2 times x minus 3. Now let's remove the brackets. X times x is x squared. X times minus 3 is minus 3x. Plus 2 times x is plus 2x. Plus 2 times minus 3 is minus 6. Now what's your final answer? Now here, when you simplify the like terms, you need to consider their signs. 3x is a negative term and 2x is a positive term. So what is minus 3x and plus 2x? It should be minus x. When you simplify minus 3x and plus 2x, your answer is minus x. Now there are some rules behind this simplification. Let me explain you. Let's say you have two positive terms. Let's take positive 5x and positive 2x. So what's your answer? Definitely you should add these two terms. You get 7x and it's a positive one. If you get, let's say, minus 5x and minus 2x, now what you should do? Here the signs are same, which means you need to add 5x plus 2x is 7x. And you should keep the same sign here for the answer. So it's minus 7x. Same signs means just add and keep the same sign. What about 5x and minus 2x? Now what's your answer? Here, since the signs are different, first of all, ignore the signs. Since signs are different, you need to find the difference between two terms or simply just subtract. The difference between these two terms are 5x minus 2x, it is 3x. Now what should be the sign? For the sign, since you have ignored the sign now, just find the highest term. Is it 5x or 2x? Definitely it's 5x. Now what is the sign of 5x? It's plus. So your answer sign is a plus sign. It's a positive answer. This is how you simplify terms with different signs. Again, let me brief you. First, when you see two different signs, just ignore the sign. Then find the difference between two terms. It's 3x. Then for you to keep the sign for your answer, just refer the highest term. Here it's 5x. What is the sign of 5x? It's plus. It's a positive one. So your answer also a positive answer. Now what about this? Let's say you have 5x. It's a minus one, negative term. Then this one is positive 2x, plus 2x. Now what's your answer? Again, same steps. Just ignore the signs. Find the difference because signs are different. It is 3x. Then keep the sign of the highest term for the answer. The highest term is 5x. The sign of 5x is minus. So it's a negative answer. So this is how I arrived at minus x. Here, minus 3x and plus 2x. Signs are different now. So I'm going to find the difference between two terms by ignoring the signs. 3x minus 2x is x. And how should I keep my sign? I have to find the highest term after I ignore the signs. So after ignoring the sign, my highest term is 3x. Sign of 3x is minus. Therefore, my answer sign is minus. So our final answer here, x squared minus x minus 6. Now let's do another example. Let's take x minus 2 and x plus 3. Now what's your answer? So first step, x times x plus 3, then minus 2 times x plus 3. Remove the brackets. X times x, x squared. X times plus 3, plus 3x. Minus 2 times x is minus 2x. Minus 2 times plus 3 is minus 6. Now let's simplify our like terms. We got plus 3x and minus 2x. Different signs. Ignore the sign. Find the difference. It's x. 3x minus 2x is x. And what is our sign now? Highest term is 3x. 3x sign is plus. Therefore, our answer sign is plus. Now, our final answer is x squared plus x minus 6. Now you know simply how to multiply two binomial expressions. I will do further examples in another video. See you then. Don't forget to subscribe.